Today we have a Shapeshift Modular Holster Systems Core Carry Pack from Avon Gear Holster. This is a multi-use system, gives you 4 different ways to carry your firearm. You can even interchange and have a Glock 45, a Glock 43, doesn't matter. They make shells for 700 different firearms. Now we're going to go into the details of how it works. Now this is for a Glock 45. It's where you can carry in the 3 o'clock position, 4 o'clock, 1 o'clock if you want to. It conforms around your body. These clips remove. You can put it any height you want, any cant, whatever you want to do. Also has these clips that you can work around on your belt if that's what you like. These, your belt will run through it. And this one, it runs up underneath. Take this thing apart. It's a pretty simple system after you figure it out. Take this little locking nut off. Slide this piece down. This comes right off. You see, already off. Take this piece off. Slides down like that. Now we're going to lay this one to the side. And we're going to show you about this one, and we'll come back to this. This is for your paddle holster. All you have to do is you push this in. That's for a Glock 43. You got a trigger lock. Nobody's going to get your firearm. You push it, any cant you want. That works great. Got a mount to put up underneath your dash or your desk, table, wherever you want to put it. Then you got quick access to a firearm. You just put it up underneath here and you got your firearm. Really handy system on that one. We're going to take this apart and we're going to show how you work on appendix carry. Just slide apart just like that. Put your trigger lock part in. Just get it all lined up. A little tricky sometimes. Put it back together like this. We're going to put it on this holster. Take this one. Now just get it and line it up. Put your little locking nut back on it. Now you've got appendix carry. Clips right on your belt. Really handy system. Also, you've got these little adjustments here where you can adjust it on the backing piece. Great system. We'll take it back apart again, show you some other options. So you want to run it through your belt loops? We've got this one. It is a little tricky right here though. Get this piece where it locks in. Take this one off over here. Now you've got a system you can run through your belt loop with this one or this one. Just depends which way you want to carry it. And let's not forget, this little piece will adjust your retention on it. Put it in here to the right or left. You can set it any way you want. Great system. little smaller fingers sometimes. But everybody was gonna like these. I think they're really nice. Yeah, but backing pieces, where if you wanna run the belt through this piece, one's for 1 3/4, one's for 1 1/2 inch. And now we're gonna take a little break for a second. And now we're gonna put it back together for the Glock 45. Just take your time doing all this, not in a race, and you'll be happy you got this. You just have so many choices. You can change every day if you want. Change guns, doesn't really matter. Now we're gonna have the final shots here. Okay, now I think I've gone over quite a few of the options you have with this system. It's so versatile. Everybody needs to get them one. And as you can see by this map, Alien Gear is out of this world. I think you need to check them out, go to the site. They've got more options than you know what to do with. If you like this channel, subscribe and like. Thanks.